Hi everyone, I'm Julia. Today I'm going to show you how to make a removable bottle decoration. We have a lot of holidays ahead, so I think this souvenir will decorate any holiday table. Also, it can be a perfect present for birthday or for anniversary. The list of all materials that you'll need you'll find in info box. Take satin ribbon 2.5 cm in wide, measure about 3.5 cm and fold the ribbon 5 times. Cut corners, slit the ribbon from the other side. We get 5 petals. Burn it like on video. Stitch all petals together, tie a knot to fix the thread. Now we need to do smaller flowers. At this time measure 2.5 cm and fold the ribbon 7 times. Make 2 flowers from the obtained petals, 4 petals in first flower and 3 in second. Now we need to do scapes. Take wire. I didn't have special floristic wire, so I rolled 4 pieces of ordinary thin wire. For one flower we'll need 3 two-sided stamens. We get such beautiful flowers. Glue them to the wire muffled with Florist's tape. Make sepals from 4 separate pieces. That's what we get. Now we need to do buds. Piece together all flowers using Florist tape. Make branches in two colors. I chose pink and white colors, but also you can add the third color, for example another tone of pink ribbon. Make the case. Take a thin cardboard to glue together two sheets of paper from usual album for drawing. Measure the bottle, cut necessary size, adding a couple of centimeters. Now we need to finish the case. Take a double-sided tape and put it on all surface of the case. After that, glue satin ribbon 5 cm in wide on double-sided tape. Cut off all unnecessary ribbon, burn the ends and glue them. And now the most enjoyable part. Glue all pieces as we like. For reliability, every branch I fix with a piece of ribbon into the case. Cut off all unnecessary pieces. Charmless seam, decorate with crystal fabric. Decorate lower part of the bottle in the same way. Look guys, what a bright and elegant bottle decoration we made! Thank you for watching the video, for your likes and comments. I wish you inspiration and a good mood. See you in next video. Bye bye!